Hello everyone, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today I am going to show you how I painted this graceful portrait of Maa Durga in watercolors. It's not just a painting tutorial but also an expression of devotion, culture and feminine strength. So let's dive in together, bring this divine artwork to life. First, I begin with a light pencil sketch. I focus on the symmetry of the face, the calm expression in her eyes, and the iconic Trishul in her hand. The sketch is simple, but it captures the essence of the goddess, the strength and the serenity in one frame.
আকাশে মেঘের ভেলা চলছে ধুনু জিনাত আসলার ঘন্টা বাজে এলো মানতি সাজে আকাশে পূজার বন্ধন।
Now I start by filling in the skin tone using a bright yellow wash. Yellow here symbolizes dignity, power and radiance. Notice how the wash is light at the beginning and I build the depth gradually with layers. Next, I move to her attire. I have used soft pastel shades of grey and white for her dress. This contrast highlights her golden skin tone beautifully. The folds in the fabric are created with layering and careful shading that gives that flowing effect.
লাগলো দোলা কাশের বনে ইমেল শরৎ টানে ষষ্ঠী চাওয়া পাওয়া।
For the background, I have kept it minimal with shades of grey, so Maa Durga remains the central focus. Sometimes, simplicity in the background allows the subject to shine brighter. Her hair is painted in deep black tones to add the balance to the composition. For the crown, I have chosen metallic grey shades to keep the focus on her face and expression rather than too much ornamentation. And here is the final painting. Every brush stroke here is my little prayer to this goddess, a reminder of her strength and protection and love. Art isn't just about colors, it also talks about emotions and storytelling. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Canvas Whisper for more watercolor journeys. Let me know in comments what emotion this painting evokes for you. Till then.